Cascading Style Sheet (CSS) allows you to specify styles for the visual elements of the website. Advantages of using CSS in web page is it gives you uniformity. For example, whenever an element comes in your web page, whatever style you have applied in CSS to that element, you get same effect everywhere in your website. Second, you need to give one time effort for number of occurrences of same code. That means if you want to give an element particular properties, you have to give it only once while coding using CSS, and whenever you want to apply same effect anywhere in your website, you can use it. Third advantage, that is easy for modification. For example, if you have used an element many times, for example 50 or 100 times in your website, and if you want to make any change in that element's property, whatever you have given in CSS, you can give it once only, and it will be, its effect will be applied everywhere whenever that element comes in your web. Syntax of CSS is, for example, you can see here h1, then in curly bracket we have used color :blue. So here three parts are there. The first part, that is selector. Here selector is an element, valid element in HTML. Here we have used h1. Then we are giving property. Here property we have used is color. Whenever h1, any text comes after h1, its color property we are going to set. Each property has corresponding value. Here we are giving value blue. That means if a text comes after h1 element anywhere in your website, it will get blue color. Let's learn how to create CSS using Composer. CSS button, CSS editor, you can see there. Click on it. Now it will ask you to give page title. Give appropriate page title here. For example, we are giving CSS example here. Press OK button. Now give appropriate file name. For example, CSS example. Click on save button. Now CSS style sheet window you will able to see. By default the first option selected is selected there. Now there are different tabs to give different effects to your element, selected element. Now element we are going to select from here. For example, we are taking h1 element. Now next, create style rule. We are giving style rules for this h1 element. So here text, different settings are there. For example, predefine we are changing, and we are taking another font here. In preview box at the bottom of this dialog box you can see the changes. So there are many changes. You can select whatever you want. You can get this effect as soon as you select any effect in your preview window. Now font color we are selecting here. Click on OK. Now different properties, font style, keys, alignment, etc. are there. Then below that there is text decoration. You can see different text in the text decoration here. Now we are keeping blinking here. Then background. There are two types of background. One is color and one is any image you can put. So we are taking here a color for the text background. So we have selected one color, click on OK. Now next, borders. Now only all four sides will get same border if that checkbox is selected. Now we have removed it and we have seen all four options to change. Now again we are selecting same border for all sides. Now in preview box you can see the change. Whatever options you are selecting, it gives you preview of that border. Color also you can keep here for the border. Press OK. Other tabs you can go through by clicking there. Come to general. Now you can see that code, whatever is applied to H1 element, now style rule is prepared. Click on OK. Now instead of body text, now select the element that we have selected for CSS. Now you will get all effects here. Start typing there and you will get all effects that you have applied to H1 element in CSS. Now press enter and go to another place to give same effect. Again select H1 element. Now click here and type something. So whenever you require this element effect in any web page of your website, you have to just select that element from that list and start typing. Everywhere H1 element now will get this style rule effects which we have mentioned. Now we are going to change this background color. Now it's very easy to modify that. We have changed this background. As soon as we select another background, everywhere the same background will be applied.